Why are you looking at me like that? You don't like my remix?
No, I did, but like I heard the trends like.
Oh. Well, I swear this is a lot of work for somebody my age, honey.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Raquel Minette, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. But before we get into all of that, all of y'all spirit fingers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give me a like, but you can go ahead and dislike this video if you choose to. But at the end of the day, you here, you watching, so just continue to watch. So now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this video. So today I'm on my way just to kind of hang out with my daughters. We're supposed to be going to see first we're going to like Six Flags, then we're supposed to be going to like TMZ tours, because I've always wanted to do it, and that was like a surprise from my family for my birthday for last month. So we plan on just kind of hanging out today, and this was the look that I came up with. It was inspired by my shoes that I'm going to be wearing today, which are some Steve Madden sneakers, and I'll insert a picture right here. So those shoes right there was my inspiration for this look, so that everything just kind of comes together. So also I am up to 922 subscribers, so go ahead and give yourselves a round of applause. I am so excited because I am literally this close to 1,000 subscribers. So just keep making sure that you sharing the video, liking the video, and letting me know any other videos that you would like to see in the upcoming future. So if you want to find out how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching.
Trap it out.
Drop it.
is the finished look. I hope that you guys wasn't able to record, you know, step by step, so that went on in the background, and I was kind of like watching the movie at the same time, so I didn't have time to like go through the whole entire thing with you guys. So definitely make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe, and definitely make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you'll always know when I record a video. And also definitely make sure that you look in the description bar. I do have all of my social media information as far as Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, I have a Facebook as well, so you guys can go ahead and follow that. And just remember, keep it cute or put it on.